guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. I am Jessica from Jessica Anywhere, and I upload travel and lifestyle videos weekly on Wednesdays. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and unbox my FabFitFun box for spring 2020. So I just got this in the mail. I did take a little bit of a peek to see what's inside, but I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys and show you what I got. Okay, so when you first open the box, you will see the little magazine that we receive, as well as just a couple of little coupon codes that they have. And then when you open everything up with the tissue, you'll see just the different products that you have inside. So I absolutely love this box. I definitely think there is a great value for what you pay. Their annual membership is $179.99, or if you pay quarterly, it is $50 a quarter, where this is a seasonal box. And they do try to theme it around the seasons. So you do receive full-size lifestyle, beauty, fashion, even like home good type products and everything like that. So but the big reason why I like this is the variety that you receive, as well as just the amazing value for everything as well. You generally will receive over $200 worth of stuff, and mine is generally worth over $250. So with this box here, I want to say it's over $300 in value. I'm unsure on one of the products because I forgot to look up the retail value because it's not listed in here, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. But with the magazine you receive, it shows the different products that you could receive throughout the box, as well as the retail value. And then it also shows different articles and different suggestions on ways that you can use the products and everything like that. So they do have a few different customization options. If you subscribe to the box seasonally or every quarter, then you will generally have 3 different customization options. And if you subscribe to the box every year, you'll generally have about 5 different customization options from what I've noticed. So for the first option, you could have gotten the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device, the Donny Ribbed Sweater Coat, the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, or the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, and then lastly the Elemis Peptide for Night Recovery Cream Oil. Lots of long names in there. But I went ahead and I got the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls in Indigo. The big reason why I chose these was because this was one of the items that actually drew me to FabFitFun in the first place. Years and years ago, when I first heard about this box and saw it advertised on Facebook, they were advertising these bowls, and unfortunately at the time I didn't have the money to subscribe, so I was really excited to see these as one of their throwback items in this box, which is something they started doing this season. So I'm in love with these bowls now that I've opened them. I love that they have like the smaller, medium, and large size bowls in the different tie-dye designs, so super cute and super excited to use these in my kitchen. So for the second options, we have either the Cowpack set of 3 packing cubes in Sorbet or Tutti Frutti, the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, the Shoshana Umbrella, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, goodness, then the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette, the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster, which was the last choice that you had there. So they had a few different throwback items in there, which I had actually received before. And the option that I went with for the second choice, I'm no surprise where I love to travel, is the packing cubes. So these are the Cowpack packing cubes set of 3 in small, medium, and large. So I love the sorbet design with this here. It's super cute and a lot of fun for like spring and summer, and just to help, I think, brighten up your luggage. And I love how much space the large one has, as well as just everything that you can fit in these. And I also like the labels that they have as well, so that you can kind of label what you have in each of your packing cubes. For the third option, we have the Amber Seats Double Coin Necklace, the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask, the Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection, the Cosmetic Pure C, or the Green Goo Hibiscus plant-based, goodness, I can't talk, body scrub. So I have a lot of skincare that I've received in past FabFitFun boxes as well as other subscription boxes. So I went ahead and I got the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. So I'm really excited to try this. I've tried sleep masks in the past and they seem to work pretty well for me. So I'm really excited to give this Gravity Sleep Mask a try and see if it helps me sleep better throughout the night. So for the fourth option, we've got the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush, the Jabonera Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil, the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, or the Avita Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So none of these items really jumped out to me if I'm being honest, but I've been curious about body oils since one of my favorite YouTubers, Jessica Braun, has talked about them and has really enjoyed them. So I went ahead and got the body oil, especially where this has a $68 retail value, which is insane to me, but I figure I'd give it a try, and if I like body oils, there are some drugstore options that I'll try. So really excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know if I like this later on in a different video. For the, oh, I forgot to mention this, but the fourth and fifth options are the options for just the annual members. If you are a seasonal member, then the FabFitFun team or their system, whatever, will pick one of these items for you. But for the fifth option, we have either the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, the Smith French Dublin Aromatic Hand Wash with an scent Fresh Green Leaves, the Love Script Body Wash, the Speaqua, unsure how to pronounce that, Cruiser Bluetooth Wireless Speaker, the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner, or the Ipare Dual Salt and Pepper Mill. So for the fifth option, when I customized, I had a different choice on here, so I don't know what happened with that option, but I went ahead and got the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. So my first exposure to finishing sprays was actually in a FabFitFun box last year, and I've discovered I really like them. I noticed that it helps my makeup stay a lot better throughout the day, especially during the summer with how hot it gets here in Utah. So when I saw this in the box and I saw that it had really good reviews, I was really excited to give this item a try. I don't know how much it retails for, so I'll make sure to, of course, include that on the screen like I did with the other products. But yeah, super excited to try that one out. For the last two options here, the 6th, 7th, and 8th option, these used to be items that everybody would get no matter if you were seasonal or annual, but they are starting to change things up a little bit, and they've now changed these to where they have the FabFitFun picks. So for the past couple boxes, it's been like 2 or 3 different items to where FabFitFun will actually pick the item for you just based off of past items you've received, as well as like a little survey and everything that you take when you first sign up. So for the 6th option, they have the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, or the Wish Beauty Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. And I got the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and I actually just smelled this and opened this and smelled it in that order. And I'm really excited to give this a try. I don't know if it's going to help me sleep better throughout the night like it claims. Again, we'll report back later. But I really like the scent of this. So regardless, really excited to have this lotion because I can't have enough lotion, I've discovered. For the 7th one, we have either the Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws, the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, or the Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer in the scent Black Orchid. So I would honestly be happy with any of these products, but the product I was most hoping for I received, which were the silicone straws. So I'm really excited about these because slowly, very slowly but surely, I am working on making more conscious choices with what I'm consuming and everything like that. So I'm really excited to have these straws because they are, not only because they're silicone, but because they have this little travel case as well. So with this travel case, I love that you can hook it on with the little strap that it's got to like a carabiner or something like that. and then you can fit the straws in here or just toss it into your bag. So that way you can take these with you, have them at a restaurant, have them with your traveling and everything like that. So really excited to travel with these and just to use them in my everyday life. Last but not least, for the 8th choice, or the 8th option, we had the Winky Luxe Rainbow Lip Balm, the Pure Lace Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel, or the Avene Thermal Spring Water. So I got the Pure Lace Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. So I've gotten a couple Pure Lace products previously in past subscription boxes. I feel like that was a lot of P's and B's. Anyways, and so I'm really excited to give this a try because I've discovered I like Pure Lace. I feel like they have like this whole watermelon line which just smells fantastic and seems to work really well. So really excited to give this face mask a try and see what it does for my skin. So and that is everything that I received in my spring box. I absolutely love it. I definitely think it's worth the $50-ish that I spent on the box. If this is something that you guys are interested in, I actually have a referral link down below. I'm not like a partner with FabFitFun or anything. This is just a referral link that anybody has if they are a member. So it'll get you guys $10 off of your box, and then I'll get a $15 credit as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'll leave that link down below. And yeah, definitely think it is worth it. My box was, I think the setting spray was like, it's like a $25-$30 setting spray. It's probably overpriced in my opinion. I don't know. I hate spending that much on makeup. So my box was worth $276.99 before the setting sprays included. So right around a $300 value with that in there. So yeah, for $300 worth of products, I think it's definitely worth paying the $50 to get that. So if that's something that interests you, please go ahead and like and subscribe, as I'll make sure to do these unboxings in the future. And I'd appreciate it if you guys would check out some of my other videos as well. I'll leave a few links down in the description. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like down there as well as a comment below as what you guys got in the box, if you guys also receive it, or what your favorite product was here. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and you could be anywhere, but thank you for being here with me. Bye guys.